Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, WG News. I hope you'll be fine. This time we talk about born under CCP and persecution survivors recall pain, rejection and a Washington figure. Once again, I say welcome back. If you're new viewers and all viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for latest updates. Stay connected with me. Like and share my video. Falling Gog and practitioners and the pride of normal childhood in China hope to do their part in bringing to bright future. And Western China Hong Jackson was not down that normal family life looked like he was robbed if of it right after birth. He was 36 days old when Chinese and authorities threw his dad into a jail. The next time they are granted he was 10, often arresting his father and a grandparents see and the police beat his mother arrested in a postpartum and demanding to know who had put up a banner in their home city, saying that Reed Valiant Tefa is a good she handled up the baby and freed their home for most of those 10 years and the two bonus from place to place after making the person visit to his father in 2005 and the police tracked his mother down and imposed on her a 3 years prison term he was for they they had they had committed no crime but made their target was their faith in selling drug in meditations and discipline that teach the value of a truthfulness and compassion and tolerance like estimated 70 million to 100 million other in a communist China. The Li family found themselves elsewhere in a intestine truth campaign from the rock town. Arbitrary arrested forced labor, brutal torture, forced organ harvesting, and an untold number of Hadrons, Young and Hall have suffered or died from it in the past quarter of century. On July 11 at the National Mail in the Washington, Mr. Lee and father of their camp together to hold a to hold a vigil to a road to wisdom and services. Step away from a fear, he stood on the edge of the window meadow. Rows and rows of people is quietly the flickering candlelight, illuminating their faces and the bright yellow shirt. And commentary party has no respect of people leaves. He told the Post Time, born in a year after the persecution began, Mr. Lee watched his family completely shattered to pieces under the main eight age, and his dad come out of prison a mere skeleton with only three teeth and nearly 80 pound lighter. He paced away a year's later. And but the pain was not as alone. There are 23 years old tied in on many families that have endured smiling ordeals. I experienced too much and see too much, he told the Post Time. So much that he said they feel almost numb to suffering. At 6'1", Mr. Lee looks as if they are stored up all those dark memories inside him to his arm tense up when he posed from a photo. He has learned to take things as they come, he said. Mr. Lee did not get relaxed during holiday in China. Those were the days and police come knocking at the door, pressing them give up their belief to appear in he simply hoped nothing happens today. And since skipping the Thailand at 30 and later settling to America, he has observed families together every day who seem happy. He might have been one of them, but who they stay. So he is something he to struggle to understand. He did not grow up. It did their region kill it. Where words are short, Mr. Lee seemed to making it up with action at the Wiggles and early daily. He ferried the coin man around, helping see them in order to tides up annual events and the national mail. I constantly remind myself not to forget, he said. Part of it is to honor their lives, those including his father, people who have been presented to death. We need to remember, he said, because their experience what many of us might not have in our life. And we do not suffer undeserved and such perceptions. He is not the only and growing up in the shadow of state terror. And Zhang Hyuk, who just month older, was finally spared from her father in her birth year, making Falun Gong banner while her fans stayed on his 1 year touching document from the first 16 years of their life until their step into United States. Mr. Zhang died on the bridge in word about her face to other. Her parents is a and his grandparents faced risks of jail anytime Banshee of fear being obstructed to school from holdings or believed they are crime had dominated to a shortly. In middle school, they should remember sitting un- uncomfortably in their classroom listening to the teacher repeat rate photographer Here, propaganda from her textbook about the self-immolations incident later found to be carefully staged at a primary scare. Guilt and sadness hit her the same time her classmates were chiming in the binding into the life. I knew what their truth was, but I did not dare to stand up. She told this post time the possible cause was jeered with the open inclination from the I knew what the truth was, but I did not dare to stand up. She told the post time the possible cause was jeered with the open and encouragement from a badging someone could turn here and escalate to the school authorities or police all under orders to eliminate interface. When she was at a wave of a roundup third passing 2008 Olympics lead to a hair mother arrest during a person visit. He saw a mother and with thin face, her long hair shot to the ear. It was another 8 years before Mr. Zhang learned thriller picture about that on her jail. Her mother nearly 10 hours of flavor daily, making packed rules designed for Japan. Their crew that shrunk her eyes, guard whose child slows labors and meals time to longer than a few minutes. Falcon Gong and petitions are all grown people. Mr. Zhang said we did not anything bad and we do not deserve our and perceptions packing up now with the freedom they have found in America was on where they have hope to make difference for those still China. I cannot change the past, sad, disagree, but I am can help. I am needed to do my part. I hope you enjoyed this video and if you like this video, have a nice time. Goodbye.